Okay, hello people. So today we'll only LeetCode DailyQuestion 1038, that is bind research tree to greater sum tree, and then this will be in the root of bind research tree, and we have to convert it to a greater tree so that every key of the original BST is changed to the original plus the sum of all the keys greater than the original key in BST. Okay, and I hope that everyone knows what a BST is. That left tree subtree of node contains only nodes with the keys less than the node's keys value. Right subtree contains all the values greater than the node key, and both the left and right subtrees are must also be a BST. Okay, for example, we are having say 4, 1, 6, 0, 2, 3, 5, 26, 5, 7, and 8. Yeah, 8. Okay. So for this, the answer comes out to be we'll be picking up 8 and we'll be adding the nodes which are greater than 8 that are none. Its value to the current node that comes out to be 8. Then we are having 7, so we'll add 7 and all the nodes which are having the value greater than 7. So that at 7 plus 8, that comes out to be 15. Then we are having 6. So for 6, we'll be adding 6 plus 7 plus 8, and that sums up to 21. Then for 5, we'll be having 6, 7, 8, and so on. Yeah, the last ones will be having 0 as 36, and for one node, we'll be having 36 again because 0 plus 36 is again 36. Okay, so this is how our answer came, and the approach we'll be using this for is like we'll be updating, we'll be keeping a global sum variable, and we'll be doing a reverse in order traversal for the BST. That is, we'll be traversing right node and then the left subtree of the tree. Okay, so by that we'll be having our answer, which is gonna be a pretty simple way. So let's have a variable. Let's call it sum, that is equal to 0, and then we'll be checking that if my root is not equal to null, in that case, as I've told you that we'll be traversing in the right subtree first. What I'll be doing is I'll be doing calling the function bst to gst, so with the root dot right, and then what I'll be doing is I'll be updating the root dot value as, oh sorry, what I'll be doing is firstly I'll be adding sum plus equal to the root dot value, and then I'll be updating my root dot value as my current sum variable. Okay, and then we'll be calling the like this function for the right left subtree bst to gst root dot left, and in the end we just have to return the root. Okay, and now let's give it a run. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Okay, so and works perfectly fine as well. Okay, so this was good. Thank you for watching.